become a better guitar player. And today I'm going to show you how to play GRANGE by ZZ Top. This is it's a rock song, but it's actually a very bluesy, derived rock song, like a lot of ZZ Top songs, I guess. So, and it's got some cool Billy Gibbons guitar playing on it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel if you would. So it's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So let's get started with the lesson. So this song is in standard tuning, and the majority of it revolves around this A chord. So this has got sort of a groove to it, I call it. The picking, you gotta, the way I get that sound is I up pick. So you're gonna make this A chord here. You're just gonna bar across that second fret from the D string down. It's got those blues notes in it. So you're going to play off of this third fret on the A and the fifth fret on the A, and during the acoustic part I'm hearing this fifth fret on the G string. I don't hear it in the distorted part, and that doesn't mean that he didn't play it like that, but I can't really hear it. So this is the way I do it. Up, up. So it's a sort of a neat little picking rhythm. It took me a lot of practice to get it to where it sounded like what he was playing. And if I haven't heard the song in a while, I have to listen to it again to get that. So it helps to have a drummer on this song for sure. But if you're learning it and you play along with the recording, you should be able to pick it up. I would think most people could. All right. So it starts out with this nice acoustic sounding blues thing. And he's singing really low, like Earl Klug or something. And then it launches into becoming the rock song that it is. It goes. When it does that, when I play that part anyway, I just basically pick down on it. So I have an A chord. I'm hitting down on the third fret of the A string, then the fifth fret of the A string. That's most of it, and that's just proof that you can make a great song. This song has been around since the 1970s, and it's not complicated. People love it. It's a cool song. You can play the first two bars to it, and everybody knows what song you're playing. So there is one part where it changes keys, and it's when he starts playing the solo. It moves up to this C chord. To play that, you're going to bar the third fret. Then you're going to put your third and fourth finger on the 5th fret of the D and the G. You're going to take that chord pattern and you're going to move it up to the 6th fret and then to the 8th fret. And he plays a neat blues solo in the key of C. And if you know the first position of the blues scale, you can play along with it very easily. But if not, just play the chord progression. Then at the end of the solo, before it goes right back to the original A part, it does this. Sort of a neat traditional bluesy sort of a lick here. Land on the A. So what that is the 5th fret on the D string and the 5th fret on the E string. You leave this 3rd finger down here on the 5th fret of the E string. Your bass note though, you're gonna move it up the neck here. So you're gonna go 5, 5, and then 4 on the D string, but 5 on the E, and then 3 on the D string and 5 on the E. Then you're gonna land on the A chord. A chord, 3 to 4 on the A string, and you're going to do 2 on the D and 2 on the C, basically, or on the G string, basically that A chord. Go back into the original opening. Then it goes back into the rock and roll portion of it again. And then, of course, there's another solo because it's a ZZ Top song, and that's what Billy Gibbons does. This time it's in the key of A, though. So if you know the first position of the blues scale, and you want to play along, it's this one. The second solo is in the key of A. The guitar, the rhythm is simply this. With distortion in the end of the song. But that's it. So it's a really fun song to play. If you like blues and you like rock and roll, this is both of them. And of course it's ZZ Top, and Billy Gibbons' music is always fun to play, I think. I love listening to him and I like playing his music. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our catalog. We've got over 150 videos, from song tutorials to just tips on how to play the guitar. So Thank you and have a great day.